Welcome to Error Genie, your go-to channel for quick and easy tech fixes. If your cursor disappears after launching Turmoil, don't worry. This is a common issue caused by display settings, mouse drivers, or minor glitches. In this guide, we'll cover 5 simple fixes to get your cursor back. Let's dive in. Fix 1. Restart Turmoil and your PC. Sometimes temporary glitches in the game or operating system can cause the cursor to disappear. Exit Turmoil completely. Use Task Manager if necessary. Restart your PC, relaunch Turmoil, and check if the cursor is visible. Fix 2. Adjust display settings. The game may not display the cursor correctly if your screen resolution or display scaling is incompatible. Change resolution. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Adjust the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution, example 1920 by 1080. Disable display scaling. Right-click on the Turmoil shortcut or game executable. Select Properties, then Compatibility tab. Check Disable full screen optimizations and override high DPI scaling behavior. Click Apply and relaunch the game. Fix 3. Update or reinstall mouse drivers. Outdated or corrupted mouse drivers can lead to the cursor disappearing. Update drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on your mouse and select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. Reinstall drivers. Right-click on your mouse in Device Manager and select Uninstall Device. Restart your PC to reinstall the drivers automatically. Fix 4. Run Turmoil in windowed mode. Running the game in full screen mode can sometimes hide the cursor. Switching to windowed mode can resolve the issue. Launch Turmoil. Press Alt plus Enter to switch to windowed mode. Check if the cursor appears. If this works, you can adjust the game's settings to keep it in windowed or borderless window mode permanently. Fix 5. Verify game files on Steam. Missing or corrupted game files can cause cursor-related problems. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Turmoil and select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the process is complete, relaunch the game. That's it. By following these 5 fixes, you should be able to solve the cursor disappearing issue in Turmoil. If you have any questions or encounter other problems, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in to Error Genie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow troubleshooting guides. See you next time. Happy gaming. Video Game Sparkles.